Okay, so we move to the cost method. Okay, wait. We finish on the comparison method. I already upload the recordings on answers, answer on how you were going to answer for a comparison method. So you can refer to the recordings, and please check whether you already know how to calculate the property market value by using the comparison method. Somehow if you feel like you're not you are not you are not still not getting the basic of the concept, then you can ask me or can see me lah. Okay, if you are free, maybe we can make arrangement on that, or maybe we can do revision during the revision class. Okay, for the second method of evaluation on cost method. Okay, cost method, it falls under cost approach when we are using the cost of the construction plus with the land value as to get the market value. Okay, you have and then we have this is the explanation. Okay, explanation for the cost method. We have the contract, also known as contractors method, is used to obtain a capital figure which a percentage is taken to give the estimation of rental value, or depreciation replacement cost method to provide a figure equating the deprivable value. It is an estimate of the loss which should be suffered by the owner is to deprive the asset. Itu nama dia je lah nama dia kita boleh consider dipanggil nama sebagai contractor method ataupun DRC method. So when the method is going to be used, the method is used when the value cannot be arrived at any of the other valuation method. Selalunya our prioritize in the valuation, we prioritize the comparison method. Okay, kita akan guna comparison method dulu. Tapi kalau tak ada comparison method, we cannot retrieve the information, or we cannot get the information from the JPPH or the market data, or from the database. We cannot retrieve that, so we jump to the cost method. Okay, when no direct comparable and often specialist building which has no market. Okay, contohnya school, hospital, sewage treatment works, power station, airport. So these are the example of properties that is rarely transacted in the market, right? So mana ada orang nak transfer sekolah, kan? Mana ada orang nak jual suka-suka hati je police station, ataupun dia nak jual libraries, tak ada kan? So by right kita tak boleh dapatkan the evidence or the market data from the database, JPPH database. But somehow when we are instructed to value this type of properties which has no recent data, so we are going to use the cost method as our method to calculate the market value of the appointed subject property. Then we have valuation process. We need to know the valuation process of the cost method. Selalunya valuation process ni sama je kan dengan yang previous valuation process of comparison method. So we need to calculate the cost of construction. Okay, cost of construction. Cost of construction tu selalunya kita dapatkan gross cost, gross construction cost. So selalunya kita ambil lump sum sahaja. Okay, somehow if you get the exact amount by referring to the BQ is bill of quantity, is prepared by the quantity surveyor QS. So you can put the amount in our valuation report. But somehow selalunya valuer ni dia akan lump sum. everything. Kalau dia tengok property tu ada simin rendered, so might be can be value in the range of RM200, something like that. Or maybe the property already covered with tiles, okay, everywhere got tiles or marble, so might be the property can be increased, right? 250 per square feet, something like that. So kita tak, orang kata, kita tak in very detail bila kita nak value the property. Kalau kita very detail, kita akan jadi macam susah lah. Sebab property, rumah tu, dia bukannya everything, semua lantai dia ada marble kan. Sometimes dekat toilet dia guna normal tile je, biasa je kan. And then dekat luar selalunya kita guna semi rendered je. But somehow kita as a valuer, kita akan lump sum je. Kita akan tengok, kita akan lump sum the value, so that the value tu as long as kita ada justification on kenapa kita ada value tu. Okay, kalau kita tengok majority of the property tu covered with cement rendered as for floor, so kita pun consider lah, oh property ni mostly built up with cement rendered, and then our justification based on the market construction cost for cement rendered property is RM200 per square feet. Kalau you ada justification like that, so your valuation is acceptable. So by right you need to know lah how much is the construction cost. Okay, kalau property yang ada tiles, so kalau ada tiles tu, how much is the construction cost for tiles per square feet. You bukannya tengok harga tiles tu, bukan tengok harga tiles, tengok construction cost. Okay, construction cost. So that thing you need to refer to BQ, bill of quantity. Sometimes somehow kita ada lack of information related to the BQ. Kita tak boleh orang kata nak access the BQ sesuka hati kan. Sebab QS pun dia ada ethics dia. Kalau dia nak prepare the BQ, dia kena dapatkan instruction letter and what so on. So that's why valuer dia akan lump sum je the value. Selalunya 200 hingga 500. Currently lah, I ask the valuer, they said if we are using the cost method, the value sekarang per square feet is 200 to 250 per square feet. Depends lah, kalau lah dia punya property tu nampak lagi cantik, to enhance the value, dia akan increase lagi lah, 250 lah dia akan guna maksimum. Kalau dia nampak macam bangunan tu dah buruk, okay, sometimes it can be less than 200, might be 180. Okay, it depends to the valuer. So that's why lah cakap valuer dia tak akan sama nilai dia. You appoint different valuer means you akan dapat different value. Okay, alright, step 2, we allow the depreciation. Okay, why we need to allow the depreciation? Because everything has their own depreciation value. Bila you dah tua, you punya value pun akan jadi rendah lah kan. Not like masa you are young people. Masa you umur 20, 25, itu tengah market tengah tinggi. Also kalau for Malay, kita hantaran time tu, hantaran nak kahwin tu lagi tinggi lah. Bila you dah umur 30, 40, you dah tua, so you punya value tu menurun. Same like building. Okay, building kalau dah tua, value dia akan rendah. Kalau building tu building yang baru, dengan modern technology apply, dengan ada green technology, kita tambah all the high tech punya instrument dalam building tu, so dia akan increase the value. I cakap based on the building, bukan land, building. Sebab kita using the cost method, kita separate between land and building. Kita tak sama. Okay, so konsep building lagi lama lagi buruk lah. Macam kita lah, lagi lama kita hidup, lagi tua lah usia kita kan. Macam building juga. Lagi lama construction dia, lagi buruk lah building tu, the image of the building. Unless kita maintain building tu, kita buat refurbishment, kita buat repainting of building, cantik lah dia. Same goes like us as human. Kalau kita kalau kita jaga kecantikan, kita maintain, kita make up cantik, kita pun cantik juga kan. So that is the depreciation lah. Okay, setiap benda pun ada depreciation, especially the assets. Okay, we are talking about the assets. Even the cars also have depreciation. Okay, all the things lah, dia akan depreciate in value, but not applicable to land. Land is always has appreciation value. And then after we calculate the construction cost, kita tolak dengan depreciation value, and kita tambah dengan land value, akan dapat market value of subject property. Dia basically building cost tambah dengan land value sama dengan market value. Itu je basic dia. Sangat simple kan. This is the framework, formula. Yang comparison, before this kita tak ada formula kan. Kita just buat table. Yang ni dia ada formula lah untuk calculate the market value. We have building value. So building value here refer to the cost of construction or construction cost. Okay, how much? Macam I cakap tadi, construction cost ni kita akan tengok, kita akan kira how much is the how much is the floor area. Okay, floor area kita ada dua jenis. Kita ada main floor area, kita namakan dia sebagai MFA, and kita ada ancillary floor area, kita namakan dia sebagai AFA. So untuk main floor area, dia complete building, like dia ada roof, dia ada wall, and dia ada floor. That is main floor area. Kalau ancillary floor area, dia ada roof, dia ada wall, dia tak ada floor, for example. Or dia ada roof and floor sahaja, dia tak ada wall. Contohnya macam pondok, car porch, balcony, kan? Dia tak complete as a building. Building kan dia kena, concept of building is enclosed, right? Dia enclose apa enclosed property. Itu konsep building. Dia kena enclose, dia kena cover in whole. Tapi kalau AFA, ancillary floor area, dia tak enclose, building tu tak cover sepenuhnya. Okay, car porch, balcony, terrace, yard, okay, dia tak cover sepenuhnya. So kita consider sebagai AFA. So cara calculation dia pun lain. So by right, you kena make sure you akan tambahkan MFA plus AFA untuk dapatkan construction cost, building value. Okay, so you darab lah nanti, kalau lah MFA you 100 square feet and you darab dengan RM250 per square feet, so you akan dapat around 25k kan. So 25k tolak dengan depreciation. So depreciation selalunya kita guna 5%, 10%. It depend on your eyes. You kan valuer kan. You valuer, you tengok rumah tu, okay, rumah ni dah 10 tahun. So 10 over rumah kan, you tahu kan, building age is 60 years. So 10 over 60 times 100, you akan dapat the percentage of the building tu, how much. So you akan tolak lah, you akan dapat value dia. Based on the percentage tu, you akan dapat building value. This is the building value. And you plus dengan land value. How to get the land value? Land value ni you kena dapat daripada comparable. Kalau tak dapat comparable, selalunya the question already state the land value. So you just kira, kalau RM200 per square feet, you darab lah 200 darab dengan land area, you akan dapat land value dekat sini. And after you calculate building value here plus dengan land value, you akan dapat market value by using cost method. Okay, you have to understand this method, this calculation, this framework. Okay, the first one you need to get the market value, building cost of construction. This one you need to know MFA and AFA. Okay, so you akan dapat MFA and AFA yang tadi saya cakap tu dulu tadi. AFA. So how much is the square feet? This one ni pun how much is the area. So you kena justify. And then the area you akan times with dia punya RM per square feet. Okay, RM berapa? Same goes with this one also. Ni pun RM berapa? So you dapat lah untuk ni untuk building value, tapi tolak dengan depreciation. Depreciation tadi tu you akan buat age over value, age over building age time 100 times 100. Then you akan dapat lah estimation untuk you punya value dekat sini. Okay, next is about the cost of construction. Cost of construction you can refer here. Okay, so cost of construction we determine on the building cost, infrastructure, site work. Inilah, tapi benda ni selalunya kita akan lump sum je, like I said before. Okay, and cost of construction basis kita ada building modern functional. Yang ni you baca je lah as long as I nak tahu yang you kena ingat yang tadi tu, yang framework ni you kena ingat. Kenapa tak digerak ni? Yang ni yang you kena ingat. Yang ni you baca je lah Okay. So depreciation yang tadi tu kan, depreciation is useful life, building useful life, and other you kena ingat building punya life. Okay, kalau reinforced concrete selalunya 60 tahun. Kalau other than reinforced concrete, we consider 30 tahun. Okay, other than reinforced concrete ni macam dia adalah steel ke, selalunya factory ataupun warehouse kan, dia tak guna reinforced concrete, dia guna steel for example, and kita consider dia punya useful life is 30 years, 30 to 45 years I think, less than 60. So kalau nak bina rumah, kena bina rumah based on RCC lah. RCC is reinforced concrete. For factory building or warehouse, kita put 30 years old dia punya useful life. Somehow it exceed the useful life, so kita consider building tu sebagai building yang bagus. So factors cost depreciation, of course lah, physical obsolescence. Kita berdepan dengan all those rain, hot weather, okay, sunny day. Functional obsolescence because of the function as well. Kalau lah factory building, it function as heavy duty punya purpose kan. So due to the purpose of the building itself, so dia akan mengurangkan value of the building tu. Economic obsolescence maybe disebabkan oleh harga besi yang menurun ke, so that's why kita punya construction cost akan jadi berkurang. Calculation of depreciation based on straight line, market analysis and engineering. Yang ni kita tak go through this calculation of depreciation sebab dia kalau you nak go through, you kena ada formula sendiri. So I tak put dalam you punya syllabus pun, and your punya syllabus pun tak perlu getting into this calculation. Somehow you need to know how is the how to calculate the depreciation by using straight line, market analysis and engineering method. So this is the exercise that you need to complete. Okay, I want you to do this exercise and I want to see next week maybe during our online class. I will pick one of you to present the market value of this exercise. I will pick randomly one of you. So I do hope that you already prepare your calculation and you can justify how you will get the market value. Okay, so calculate 99 values and blah blah blah. Okay, you baca sendiri and try to understand, and you need to answer by using what Microsoft Word, ataupun you nak buat dalam PowerPoint pun boleh. I will pick randomly any 2 or 3 of you, ataupun I nak pick anyone I want, then I will pick, and you need to present to me how you will get the market value. Okay, use the framework that I told you the previous slide. Okay, this framework, use this framework, using this to calculate your market value. Sebab calculation dia at last dia nak you complete the market value. So use this framework, show me this calculation, okay, to do this exercise. Okay, so finish for cost method. So next week I want to see your answer, the exercise answer. Okay, please bear in your mind. So this topic very simple, so I do hope that you understand me, or if you have question you can proceed with me on next week lesson. Okay, thank you very much.